Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue this series, the other chapters, the Aircraft Maintenance Manual, AMM, Chapter 7, Lifting and Shoring. Lifting from lift. Lift means such as the lift force go up. So lifting means raise the aircraft up. Shoring means support the aircraft. Support the aircraft, don't to move it. This is the chapter of the subject. Please stop the video and read this information. This is today, 17 April 2024. This is other channel called FitSpot, and this is YouTube channel Abbas Aviation. My photo, 3 items. I hope to comply them. This is our subject here. Lifting airplane. For what? Why? Why I need lifting airplane? For maintenance or for repair due to damage. For maintenance, weighing, take care. The weighing task at every 3 years in the maintenance program, or when you delivery or redelivery the aircraft. Okay, this is the 3 ways, the 3 causes for weighing. In other chapter 08. The second cause is leveling. Leveling means after damage, you need to return each surface of the aircraft to its normal configuration. In other chapter 8 also. Alignment checks also after any damage or hard landing or heavy landing, so and so, or banking, you need to make alignment check. The fourth cause, the landing gear free fall and retraction check. This is other chapter 32. This is for maintenance here. Also in the maintenance, if you want to remove or replace the main wheel and the nose wheel, you need jacking for its location. Here is the jacking here. Look here, on board of the nacelle strap. Here, this is the jack here. This is the nose jack here. This is the jacks here, but this is for the main wheel or nose wheel replacement. This is crane for the aircraft damaged and scratch on the ground. This is the point of jacks here. The jack here, forward of the nose wheel. Here, inner of the nacelle strut, inner of the inner strut. Here at the tail. This is the belt here. Okay, the socket and the belt. Take care to make center and make the location is okay. Jack airplane nose or main landing gear. Here, for replace nose wheel or main wheel, I need to jack this or this to go up to can remove it. When airplane must be lifted after being damaged, the method how to make this lifted. Number one, lifted in small increments with a series of jacks and crimping. The second method, pneumatic bags necessary on the surface beneath the airplane. Here, relatively low or pressure, not rigid, is needed to raise the airplane. So don't damage the skin of the airplane. Here, the mobile cranes, here this is cranes, can be used on any surface capable of supporting large cranes. However, mobile cranes cannot be used if the main landing gear support beams have sustained structural damage. This is the cause here. Take care from this. Please take care. These chapters or these videos, not the procedure, the actual procedure to follow it, but you must go to the aircraft maintenance manual for your aircraft. This is just short notes for the beginners, which cannot see the maintenance manual. This is some figures here for the bags, airbags here. This is crane also. The support airplane with engine removed. If engine removed, you need to support the aircraft using wing jacks as before. Here, if like here, this is the hangar and this is the hangar. This is a small aircraft. It enters, no problem. But if the tail is higher than this point, you need to make clearance for the tail. Here is easy. The tail can come easily. But if here you need to make clearance for the tail. Why? By raise the nose of the aircraft. Balance check. Two ways here, the balance here, plumb bob or water balance here. Some aircraft use this and some aircraft use this. I think here is in the Boeing and here is Airbus. Please check in your maintenance manual for that. Shoring of the aircraft means supporting the aircraft, maybe winds, maybe any damage. Shoring is necessary to give support to the wing in order to release the loads of structure and structure, major work modification. So take care. The maintenance manual of your aircraft shoring procedure give general principle only, but the details go to your structure repair manual of your aircraft. This is short notes for about chapter 7. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.